We've turned these two wood slabs into tables. We've just filled up the cracks with epoxy resin, and we're going to be finishing them off with a mix of beeswax and linseed oil. It's a 3-to-1 mix, 3 parts linseed oil, 1 part beeswax. So let's see what it looks like once it's on. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. It's a nice smooth feel. The beeswax and the linseed works well on the resin and on the wood, so yeah, I'm happy. Not too bad. So let's start with the next one. And the second one, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. So these slabs were lying outside for about 15 or 20 years, just out in the rain, and turned out quite nicely, came out smooth. I think it's looking good.